Hey folks, Corey here, St. Paul, per a question from Andy, Banjo Uke friend, on one of the posts, the video posts, I wanted to talk a little bit about the UB4, the inside in particular, and then the UB3. And what we have here is a UB4 1926 rim, 1927 resonator, and we've got a UB3, which would be a fully resonated UB3, which there weren't very many made, apparently. I'd love to find out more information about that. Apparently, after the UB3 was in production, or the UB2 Deluxe, whatever you want to call it, with the flat resonator, models were produced with a larger resonator. But let's take a look at the UB4. Obvious differences between the two, right off the bat, is the scale. The UB4 has a longer scale than the UB3. And this scale comes out at about a little over 15 1/4, and the UB3 we're looking at about a little under 14. The other thing, the big difference, is that the UB4, the neck, is a beautiful walnut, as is the resonator. Now the inside, here's one of the key differences. We're going to see if we can get a shot of this, is the tone ring inside of this UB4. And it looks like a rolled brass tone ring that sits on top of the wood rim. Let's take a look at the UB3. Obviously the inlay pattern is different. Again, the UB3 has a shorter scale. And we look inside of the UB3 and we see that the head sits directly on the wood rim. So there you have a little bit of just a little quick comparison. I'd love to find out more about the year production of this fully resonated UB3. These have serial numbers. The UB3s and the UB2s did not. Anyhow, appreciate your comments. Thank you. And we'll be back later with some more instruments.